Citi Simplicity Credit Card Review. Watch before you apply. Welcome to our Citi Simplicity Credit Card Review. If you're looking for a straightforward credit card that prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, this card might be for you. The Citi Simplicity Card is designed specifically for those who value peace of mind with no late fees, no penalty rate, and no annual fee. Ever. This card is perfect for individuals who may need to occasionally carry a balance or are concerned about missing a payment deadline. It offers an extended 0% APR introductory period for both purchases and balance transfers, with 0% for 12 months on purchases and a generous 21 months on balance transfers. However, there is a balance transfer fee of 5%, so it's essential to consider that cost when moving your debt. One of the standout features of the Citi Simplicity Card is its focus on flexibility and convenience. Unlike many other cards, it doesn't penalize you with a higher interest rate if you miss a payment. This can be a lifesaver if you're trying to manage fluctuating cash flow or unexpected expenses. But while it's lenient on fees, this card is not designed for rewards. There are no points, miles, or cashback, which makes it less appealing if you're seeking to maximize your spending returns. Instead, it's built for those who prioritize low-cost borrowing and want to avoid the stress of fees and penalties. The Citi Simplicity Card is best suited for people with good to excellent credit who need to manage existing debt through a balance transfer, or who want a safety net in case they miss a payment. It's not a long-term solution for spending rewards, but it can be a great tool for financial management during times of transition or financial planning. Before applying, ensure that you can meet the balance transfer requirements and be mindful of the card's limitations in terms of rewards and perks. If simplicity and flexibility align with your needs, the Citi Simplicity Card could be a smart choice for your wallet.